Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open an account on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, all you need to do just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open the application, and of course, just go and click at getting started to create your account. So of course that video is even about opening an account, so let's just go into the Coinbase application. So let's just wait a bit. So for me, as you can see, I already have an account, so let me just go here and click add profile and settings, then scroll down to sign out. Then all I need to do, as I said, just click at getting started. So from here you would like to fill your first name, last name. So for me, I'm just going like some testing stuff, email address like something like that, gmail.com. Okay, that is wrong, gmail.com. And password should not be a pattern password, like random one. Then certify, and first, before certifying this, you would like to read user agreements and privacy policy. Click at create your account, user with this email. Okay, because it's like a random, so let's just add this. So we just wait and wait a bit until this page loads. And what's going to happen, actually, they will actually send you an email to your email. So if it's your correct email, just go to your email and actually verify that is you. Then all you need to do, just add your phone number. Then they will send you a code to your phone number, type it right there. Then all you need to do, just take in a picture of your ID and you will be good to go. Of course, ID or even a passport, and you will be actually good to start using the Coinbase application. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.